Demystifying Tag Questions. All about what? Hello language learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we are going to unravel the mystery of tag questions, with a special focus on the question word, what? You're going to learn how to use it in tag questions, increasing your English fluency and conversation skills. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, let's discuss what a tag question is. A tag question is a special kind of question that we attach, or tag, onto the end of a statement. It's used to confirm or check something you think is true or to encourage a reply from the person you're speaking to. Here's an example. You're coming to the party, aren't you? Aren't you is the tag question here. Now that we understand what tag questions are, let's talk about how we use what in tag questions. The word what is a bit special. It doesn't typically appear in the tag part of a question. Instead, we use what in the main statement, and then use a different word in the tag. For example, what a beautiful day it is, isn't it? Here, isn't it, is the tag question. In English, the structure of tag questions is quite specific. We have a statement, followed by a comma, and then the tag. The tag usually contains a pronoun and an auxiliary verb. For example, you like coffee, don't you? When using what in the main statement, we need to pay attention to the form of the verb. For example, what a great movie that was, wasn't it? Now it's time for some practice. Here are some examples of sentences using what in the statement and a tag question at the end. 1. What a fantastic game, wasn't it? 2. What a lovely meal, don't you think? 3. What a long day it's been, hasn't it? Try to create your own sentences using this structure. Remember, practice makes perfect. Well, that's all for today's lesson on tag questions with what. I hope this has been a helpful exploration into the fascinating world of English tag questions. Remember, understanding and using tag questions effectively can enhance your conversational English skills. Keep practicing and you'll master this in no time. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.